everyone. So in this lecture we're going to show you how to download and install Ubuntu on in this VirtualBox. So let's first go and search Ubuntu on our web page. This is the official Ubuntu page, and we will be downloading the ISO file, and we will be installing this ISO file. So previously we tested this we didn't test the ISO file, how to install ISO file on Oracle or VirtualBox, because previously we tested this virtual machine disk, and also we tested how this fully virtual machine, which is Windows 10, but this time we will install a ISO. So first let's download our Ubuntu. So Ubuntu for desktop, then press download, and you need to do anything, it will automatically download. So as you can see, Ubuntu, just select and download. As this is quite long, so I am not going to download again because I already downloaded this. As you can see, this is the Ubuntu ISO file. As you can see, ISO. So we're going to install this ISO now. So let's just go to our VirtualBox as previously. So create new. As I already have Ubuntu, so let's rename this as Ubuntu 2 and select our virtual machine folder as our virtual machine. So, and Linux Ubuntu 64. So make sure you select Linux, and make sure you select your Windows 32 or 64-bit, the which one you use. So if you're using 32, use 32. If you're using 64, use 64. Then click next and select the amount that you need or that you prefer. Make sure you at least give it a 1 GB RAM. Then select this, create a new or create a virtual hard disk, and select this VDI, virtual disk image. Next, and we're going to select this as dynamically allocated. So select the amount of disk or amount of size that you want to give. So I'm giving it as 10 GB, but okay, let's give it 20 GB because Ubuntu takes a lot of space. Click create, and we're done. So let me first select all of those changing. So make sure you change all of those settings at first before install the process, because it's better. Then you choose network as bridge network as previously, and just press OK. So let's select storage, choose a disk image, and choose the disk image that you downloaded, which is Ubuntu. Select this, press OK, and you're done. Press start, and it will take some time because Ubuntu is pretty large. So let's give it some time. You don't need to worry about anything. It's not creating anything inside your original hard disk. It's creating a disk inside this virtual machine or VirtualBox hard disk. So let's just wait. So if you go to this, if you are in this page or in this process, so then we will just select try Ubuntu. So as you can see, it's up and working. You have all of those options in here, all of those terminal. Pretty easy. As you can see, it's working. AIF config to check. Okay, let's install this because you need to install all of this, as you can see. So let's check. As you can see, my IP address is this, and also it has working internet access because I selected previously as base network, so that it uses my own Wi-Fi adapter. As you can see, it's all up and working. So it's pretty easy, as you can see. And then you just press in here, so you have lots of option, you have lots of application in here. You can choose or download any of the other application in here. You can check settings, you can choose settings, you can choose background appearances, all of those in here. So that's all about Ubuntu, and that's how you power off. Click here, power off, and it will power off. So you don't need to do anything. It will ask to press enter, but you don't need to do anything. This is asking if you are using this as your own Ubuntu machine, so you don't need to worry about anything. It will automatically close. But this is taking some time because this is the first time we install, so it need to stop some services and also some processes, then it will just. So let me just delete this because I already have a working Ubuntu in here. So let's just remove. So that's pretty easy, as I was saying. So I already demonstrate the 3 ways that you can install virtual machine onto this virtual box. The first way I show you is using a virtual disk, which is this one, Meta Exploitable. Then I show you how you can just simply double click to install this virtual machine, which is Windows 10. Then now I show you how you can install an ISO file inside this virtual box, and that's it. That's how you download and install Ubuntu on your virtual box.